Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you my week 8 Slimming World results. If you've not seen one of my videos before, I am Gillian. I do Slimming World for the second time round. I originally done it as a vegetarian. This time around I'm doing it as a vegan, and yeah, I'm just showing you all my journey. Today I'm with Poppy, so she might make an appearance. She keeps jumping back on the bed. This week is actually my first maintain of my Slimming World journey so far, the past 8 weeks. I was a bit annoyed, I'm not gonna lie, I was really annoyed about it, and it's better than a gain, but I did think I would maybe lose a little bit. So I'm gonna tell you why I think I maintained, and then we will talk about my results for next week, because today is actually Thursday and it's when, here she is, it's when I get weighed again, so I'm gonna like combine the 2 weeks. So like I said, I maintained, and the reason I think I maintained this week is going over my sins quite a bit. I didn't do it on purpose. I didn't have a big blowout on purpose. I didn't know what I was working till very last minute last week, and I was just really unorganised with my lunches and the hours I was working. What are you doing, Poppy? She's messing up my pillows. I was really unorganised, and then I was tired, and it meant I was eating less of the right things, I suppose. I'm just trying to see. This has been invaluable, having this book to write all my meals in. And even if I'm over my sins, I still write it down. I don't pretend like it didn't happen, even though I would like to do that. Ryan had his friend round, and we did end up having a takeaway on the Friday after I got weighed, and I had boiled rice, chilli chips and curry sauce, and do you know what? I didn't even enjoy it. I totally regret doing it. I had an upset stomach afterwards because I don't think my body's used to all the oil that they put in anymore, because I've been eating healthy for over a month now. And yeah, it was just a waste really. At least now I know it's more of a habit than actually enjoying the taste of it. So I don't think I'll be having another one for a while. I also went over my sins on weigh day. I was at a different place than usual at work and didn't bring my lunch with me, so I ended up having a hummus and falafel wrap from the Co-op, and I didn't think it'd be too bad, and then it's ending up at 22.5 sins for the wrap, and then I had carrot sticks and hummus, and the hummus was 2 sins. So that day I went really over my sins, and it happened to be on weigh day, so I think that's the reasons I maintained. Oh, I also had a vegan Subway the day before that as well, so really I've been off plan for a few of my meals. It's not been terrible, because like Subway you could get worse I suppose, but it's not been on plan. Yeah, it's no wonder I maintained really. I maybe should have gained weight at that rate. But I did go to the gym. I started back up at the gym last week. I did an hour and 10 minutes on the treadmill. I was just going steady walking, trying to get my steps on my Fitbit. I wasn't on the treadmill all that time. I also did the Stairmaster and the cross trainer. And then I've been walking Poppy quite a lot, and she's watching me. That means I've also been filling in my weekly fit logs. I'm on week 3 of my weekly fit logs, and then after week 4 I'll get my bronze award. I have actually been doing enough exercise to get the silver award, but I think I want to work my way up, get a little certificate first, because I'm sad like that. So I'll hand that in next week, and I am 3 pounds away from my stone award. And last week my Slimming World consultant decided to spur me on and say, well, you go for the £3 for next week, and I said, why not? So there's only been once that I've lost £3 in a week, and do you know the annoying thing? I can't even remember what I've done that week to like justify the £3. I don't know what I did differently, but hopefully I've done it this week. I don't know, I really don't know. I've tried my best, this week. I've stayed quite low sin. There was one day I did go over my sins. Ryan and I were out late and I decided I wanted a McDonald's. I know you're not meant to, but I have like reined it in over this week with my sins to kind of counteract going over my sins with the McDonald's. So fingers crossed it will work. I'll update you in a little while. Well, it'll be in the next clip for you, but a little while when I go to group. I've got group in 4 hours, so hopefully I've lost. I've been taking this one on lots of walks this week as well, so hopefully it's paid off. I also did a 3 mile walk unplanned yesterday, so getting my... I really do like wearing my Fitbit to try and get my steps up. I'll update you when I come back from group. It'll be quite late at night, and then I will do a body shot of what I look like now. You saying bye? Poppy won't be with me in the next one, will you? I'm going home soon. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi! So I'm back from getting weighed, and oh my god, I was so shocked. I got my stone award. So this week I lost 3.5 pounds. I can't believe it. I thought I was ambitious, aiming for three pounds last week to get my stone award, but I did it, and then added on a little half extra as well. £0.5 pound extra. Yeah, I'm so happy. That means I also got Slimmer of the Week, so I got a little hamper full of goodies, but that's my stickers, if it would focus. So I've got my half stone, my stone. I should have another one of the Slimmer of the Week, but they never gave it to me, so that's the one that started on this side. And I'll just show you the back because I'm so proud of myself. So that says minus £3.5 this week. Total loss of a stone and £0.5 pound. So that means I've managed to lose a stone and £0.5 pound in 9 weeks, which is amazing. The goal of getting to 10 stone for Christmas seems more doable. That means I've only got £6.5 pounds to lose till Christmas, and we are something crazy. It's coming in so fast. 8 weigh-ins, I think. 7 or 8 weigh-ins until Christmas, so I think that's doable. I'm overwhelmed. I can't believe I lost £3 or £3.5 pounds. And the gutting thing is, it wasn't my usual Slimming World leader, and it wasn't, my mum wasn't well enough to go this week, so I was just sitting my little self, and the consultant that gave me my certificate this week obviously didn't know, as well as my usual consultant, about aiming for the £3 mark and how ambitious I felt it was, but they were all still really nice. When I got Slimmer of the Week, they also did the raffle, and it was like Halloween pasta and a roasting tin, things like that, to make this recipe. I think there was chicken in it, but you could make it however you wanted, and I was one number away from winning that as well, so I just thought that would have been funny if I won the Slimmer of the Week and the hamper. I'm glad I didn't want to look like a jammy person, so I'm happy with getting my stone award and Slimmer of the Week. I honestly don't know what else I did differently other than stick to my sins religiously. I always, apart from 1 or 2 days, stayed under 10 sins, and I usually don't do that. I usually stay above, like, have my 15 for the day, so, and I'm happy if that means it's £1 to £2 a week. That's totally fine by me. I would rather enjoy my sins, but I just was really focused on this £3 this week. And then there was one day I went over I had 15 sins in the day, but 12 of those were McDonald's fries, so you can still enjoy McDonald's and have a good weight loss. So yeah, I need to do more updated measurements, and I'll share them for next week, and then I will insert the usual footage of what I look like compared to when I first started. I actually came across these pictures and I can't believe that I'm actually going to show them because I'm in my brand pants, but I just wanted to show you how far I've came. They were taken when I was around, I think, the 12 stone mark, and I started Slimming World at 11 stone 7.5, so I don't think it's that big a difference from what I looked like when I started Slimming World, so I'll insert those next to what I look like now as well. Plans for the week ahead: I am going to meal prep really well while I'm at work. I'm going to keep writing in my little book. We also got this little book. I think I mentioned it before, I've bought the 12-week countdown, so I got this for doing it. It's just a little kind of meal plan. You can write in your trigger foods, how you're going to protect your weight loss. We've got little word search that Ryan was trying to beat me doing, that was quite funny. And it's similar, it's a similar layout to the meal plan anyway that's in the food diary book. I'll show you the front cover in case you don't know what I'm talking about. This little book here. But it's more focused on Christmas time and what you can do to plan still being on target. You also can colour in the baubles from how much weight you've lost, like the other book's got balloons that you can colour in as well. It's quite good. I like all that kind of thing. It's got shopping lists, you can write in your biggest achievements, just things to keep you on track, and it's I think available to buy as well on its own, so if you go to your local Slimming World group you might be able to pick one of those up as well. But yeah, I never thought I'd be here, to be honest. I was determined to lose weight every week, but it's when you hit a big milestone, it's not sunk in yet. I don't feel a full stone lighter. I think my stomach looks flatter, but I would like to do more updated measurements, like I said, to see in total how much, like how many inches I've lost. I do feel my jeans that were snug on me are now loose. My mum was making fun of me for having a saggy bum when I wore them the other night. I think that's everything. I will definitely share with you my inch losses next week after I work them out. So turns out I maintain 1 week can mean a big weight loss the next week. Who knew that would happen? Because I didn't. I was very shocked. Anyway, I'll let you guys go. I've been rambling on a bit much, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweet.